boys and girls, Miss Frank here to do the daily calendar review. So we have been working on our pattern, and this is an ABCD pattern at the core. So you see here in our core is sun, A, umbrella, B, flower, C, rain cloud, D. So A, B, C, D. And then it's repeated as we go along. So on Friday, we had a rain cloud. So we need to figure out Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. So let's go ahead and click Saturday. And it is a sun. So we have started our pattern again. So that means, what is Sunday going to be? An umbrella. Awesome. All right. And our last one, what is today, Monday, going to be? Sun, umbrella, flower. Awesome job, boys and girls. Flower. That is correct. So let's go ahead and get the date up on the board today. So today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Awesome. Okay, so we need to go ahead and figure out what yesterday was and what tomorrow will be. So if today is Monday, what was yesterday? Sunday. So let's say that together. Yesterday was Sunday. All right, if today is Monday, what is tomorrow going to be? Tuesday? Good job. Let's say that together. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Awesome. Okay, so we are moving on, and I am right here at the 27th, and I want to know what the day before was and the day after is. Can you guys tell me what the day before is? The 26th is the day before. And can you tell me what the day after is? The 28th. Great job. Awesome. Okay, moving on. Here we are ready for our spiral review. So get that pen and piece of paper out and get ready to answer our questions. So my first question is, how many vertices does a triangle have? So remember, a vertices is a corner. So let's go ahead and count these. I hope you got that number down. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 vertices. All right, next question. What are the parts of 5? Now, boys and girls, there are 6 parts of 5, and I want you guys to think about those and write them down on your paper for me. If you need to, just press pause so that you can get them down on your own time. Alrighty, I'm just going to move some things around so I can type them out for you. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is start with our 0. So 0 and what? 5 is 5. Oh, there we go. All right, now we're going to flip-flop them. So that means that we're going to start with 5 and then put and 0 is 5. All righty. Now we're going to start with 1. 1 and how many is 5? 4. 1, oh, that's 11. That's not right. Oops, 1 and 4 is 5. Let's scooch this, make it a little tinier. Okay, now we take 1 and 4 as 5, and we're going to flip-flop them. So we have 4. Oh dear. Nope. 4 and 1 is 5. Thanks, guys, for being patient with me while I tried to fix that. All right, 4 and 1 is 5. Well, I like how I put a period there. Now we're going to go to our last 2 combinations. So we've started with 0, we started with 1. Now we need to start with 2. So 2 and 3 is, oops, that's not big enough. Let me, is 5. All right, and our last one, we're going to take this one and we're going to flip-flop it. So we have 3 and 2 is 5. All right, boys and girls, I hope you got all those parts of 5. And if you didn't, that is A-okay. Just keep practicing. All right, so here's my question number 3. Draw a set with less than 8 in it. All right, so if I have 8 and I want to draw something with less, I could draw a set with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, because those are all numbers that are less than 8. I hope that you drew an awesome set with less than 8. All right, here's the last one. Draw a garden with 17 flowers in it. So boys and girls, I'm going to leave you here to draw your garden with 17 flowers. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I love you and I miss you, and I can't wait to see you very soon.